Welcome to Peaches and Cream. Today I'm going to show y'all how to make homemade fondant. This is made with marshmallows, confectioner's sugar, and a bit of water. That's it. Super easy. Let's start by combining a 10-ounce bag of mini marshmallows and 1 tablespoon of water in a large bowl. Microwave this for 30 seconds and then remove it from the microwave and stir it well. Return the marshmallow mixture to the microwave for another 30 seconds, and then it should be done. Stir it until it's smooth. Don't overheat the marshmallows or it'll mess up the texture of the fondant. The key is to microwave it in short intervals. Add 2 cups of confectioner's sugar and mix well. When it's well combined, add about 1.5 more cups of confectioner's sugar and mix it until it becomes too stiff to stir. Grease the countertop with a couple of teaspoons of shortening. Dust the countertop with confectioner's sugar and dump the fondant out onto the surface. Knead the fondant like bread dough, gradually working in about 1.5 cups more confectioner's sugar. When it is very stiff and smooth, it's ready to decorate with. Or you can refrigerate it until you're ready to use it. To prepare it for storing, rub the outside with about a teaspoon of shortening. This will help keep it from drying out. Wrap the fondant in plastic wrap and place it in a Ziploc bag. Now you can refrigerate or freeze the fondant for up to 4 weeks. Just make sure to bring it to room temperature before you use it. You can create fondant flowers, little characters, letters, or you can even ice a cake with this fondant to get that smooth, perfect appearance. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more recipes. Thanks for watching.